what most virgins do. They start the video, yeah, and they'll pre fucking loosen them, and then it's like, oh, you can kiss my ass, bro. These fucking pipes, they're very brittle and they're fucking annoying to take off. Now, if you watch my come follower video, you'd know if you leave this pipe off, bro, your car's gonna be in limp dick, bro. Fucking nothing, bro. Now this one, old one. But it's fucking leaking up. This is the thing with PVC valves. You never know what the fuck's going on. Fuck them.
Enigma Production.
Alright, it's the same day, and we're gonna risk it. We're gonna risk it for a chucky biscuit. Whoa, fucking left me on, dude. Alright, we're gonna change the PVC valve today. Ooh, goddamn boy. Alright, get it. Right here, bang, 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 yeah? T20s then, okay. T20 then. Okay. Oh, maybe even smaller. T25 that is, I think it's T20. Ooh, it is T20. T fucking 20. Please, for fucking money. Right, see that there? Bolt there. Bolt there. Oh my god, what is that? That been threaded on, eh? Right, one here. Loosen him. One under here. See that one there? See, I'm trying to get him. Right there, one there. See that, Z? You paying attention, bitch? One's there. One's there. I don't know why this is a flat screwdriver. It should be all Torx. Right? Before you do that, what you want to do? Yeah. You want to take this pipe off. Now this pipe can be very annoying to take off. Okay. So. See what most virgins do. They start the video, yeah, and they'll pre fucking loosen them, and then it's like, oh, you can kiss my ass, bro. These fucking pipes, they're very brittle and they're fucking annoying to take off. Right, clamp that there. There she go. It's hard to take these off, I swear down, bro. You see these videos, yeah, but they're like, oh yeah, huh, you can kiss my ass, bro. They done fucking pre-ejaculated it. Right, this one is a cocksucker, bro, I swear down. I'm gonna try use me brute strength for this one. Squeeze there. Come on. Fucking piece of shit. Come on. There she go, baby. There we go, baby. He's out. Now, if you watch my come follower video, you'd know if you leave this pipe off, bro, your car's gonna be in limp dick, bro. You gonna be in limp dick. Limp dick mode, boy. Look at that, boy. Look at that, boy. Yeah, man. I forget Corona. I've still got fucking fuel fumes from the fucking. Let's get fucking out of here. What am I looking at here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, see. Don't want to drop these, bro, because these are fucking annoying. You drop these. Good luck. Get out. There we go. We got one. We'll put it in there. We've got 2. Ooh, don't fall, bitch. We've got 3. I don't know why this is a fucking fly. Bro, it should be a fucking torque. Mate, previous owner been doing me mash up. And then it's just that way. I don't know why it's that way. What do you think it is? Let's go with pH 1. Beautiful fit, though. boys. Don't you fall, bitch. Alright, now once you've done all that, it should be. Oh, that looks fucking new as well, doesn't it? Because the thing with this Pcv valves is it will tell you no error codes, and they will just fuck up. Let me try and blow down this. Come here, Zeke. I'm sure I had another can of brake clean. That's how you tell if it's fucked or not. I think that'll clean, yeah? Right, Zeke, you ready? Right, get in here. You need to hear it. You cannot, with this, you can always suck it. Can you see me or am I a dot? No. Try hear this. It's fucking coming out. It's fucked. Now, the new one. You know what, mate, it doesn't need replacing. That's brand new, that. Then, so this one, come here, Steve. Let's get right back here. Get right back here. This is the new one, right? Am I all dark or am I right?
No, that's right.
Fucking nothing, bro. Now this one, old one. But it's fucking leaking up. This is the thing with PVC valves. You never know what the fuck's going on. Fuck them. Right then, you get your new one, yeah? Line that cunt up. And smack a few of these in. I'll use this one. I'll use this. Get him. And up there. Beautiful, mate. Send in another one. Down here. This is a tricky one, this. Don't want to drop your bolt. Should I just plug him in? No, not yet. Fucking hell, my girls. Come on. Don't tighten them all the way yet. Be patient. Let it all just line up. Right, that's it. Right, that there. Not missing any more. Let's tighten this middle one in first. Right, he's tight. In here. Right, that's it. Bear in mind this is plastic, so be careful, okay? Just a little like that, yeah. Fucking hell, windy, innit? And then just let's be alright, yeah. Just a little. Yeah. Right, and then this is back on, pushed on, and then just start the car. Come here, Zeke. Oh, my hands are all dirty. Zeke, wake up, bitch. My hands are all oily. Don't want to damage my key. Fuck on out of here, boy. messy. You wanna just check? Yeah. Just wanna check around it if it's leaking any, like, bro, it's done, bro, you know what I mean? See this, bro? I think they caught it when I blew it. It's fucking mashed this. PVC valve, it will never tell you any error code. It'll just start fucking leaking and then you won't know what's going on. Hear that, bro? Hear the tractor? Oh, did we get a thumbnail? We'll just use this one as the thumbnail, even though this is the old one. See you in a minute.